Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a chronic digestive disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when stomach acid frequently flows back into the esophagus, causing symptoms such as heartburn, regurgitation, and discomfort. While medication and lifestyle changes are commonly recommended, diet plays a crucial role in managing GERD symptoms. Here are the top 6 foods that can help treat GERD effectively. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a highly nutritious and versatile breakfast option that is beneficial for GERD sufferers. It is rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep acid levels in check. Unlike fatty or sugary breakfast foods, oatmeal doesn't trigger acid reflux and can keep you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating, which can exacerbate GERD symptoms. Adding bananas or apples to your oatmeal can further enhance its benefits due to their natural antacid properties. 2. Ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various gastrointestinal issues, including GERD. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the esophagus and reduce inflammation caused by acid reflux. Consuming ginger in moderation can aid in digestion and alleviate nausea, a common symptom of GERD. You can incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to teas, smoothies, or meals. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent choices for individuals with GERD. These vegetables are low in fat and sugar, which are common triggers for acid reflux. They are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall digestive health. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your meals can help maintain a balanced diet and minimize GERD symptoms. 4. Almond milk. Dairy products can often aggravate GERD symptoms due to their high fat content and potential to increase stomach acid production. Almond milk is a great alternative as it is low in fat and has alkaline properties that can help neutralize stomach acid. It can be used in place of regular milk in cereals, smoothies, and coffee, making it easier to manage GERD symptoms while still enjoying your favorite foods and beverages. 5. Lean poultry and fish. Proteins are an essential part of a balanced diet, but fatty meats can worsen GERD symptoms. Lean poultry, such as chicken and turkey, and fish are excellent alternatives. They are low in fat and can be easily incorporated into various dishes. Baking, grilling, or steaming these proteins, rather than frying, will further reduce the risk of triggering acid reflux. Incorporating these lean proteins can help maintain muscle mass and provide essential nutrients without causing discomfort. 6. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, are beneficial for those with GERD due to their high fiber content. Fiber helps regulate digestion and can prevent constipation, which can indirectly reduce the pressure on the stomach and lower the risk of acid reflux. Whole grains also provide sustained energy and can help maintain a healthy weight, both of which are important factors in managing GERD symptoms. Managing GERD through diet involves making mindful food choices that reduce acid production and minimize reflux symptoms. Incorporating foods like oatmeal, ginger, leafy greens, almond milk, lean poultry and fish, and whole grains into your diet can significantly improve your quality of life. It is always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized dietary plan that addresses your specific needs and conditions. By making these dietary adjustments, you can effectively manage GERD and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable life.